Alright guys, I'm out here with the flying pterodactyl from Five Below. It's a real beauty. I couldn't resist, man. I went into Five Below, picked up some, and I saw this thing there, and I said, oh, I'll give this to my friend's kid. He's a little 3 or 4 year old or something like that. Oh, I think one of these things must have came off when I took it out of the pack. This is one of the balance things. Yeah, it did. Okay, it's one of those deals, you know, you click it and then you wave your hand under the little sensor deal under there. Let's give it a shot. Flintstones. That's what I thought about when I bought this thing. I thought about the Flintstones. You gotta love this RC business. Turn it on by pressing this little button down if you can see it. I'm so old I can barely even see it. And then, you know, you wave your hand under it. See, it says indoor for these things, but the problem is when you get these little things like this, you never know how high they're going to fly. Okay? Because that one I had last year, that Spider-Man one, that thing went up pretty damn high. Way higher than would have been in my apartment. My apartment has 9-foot ceilings. But this one, now I could have did this one in the house. I wouldn't have had to drive all the way out here to the park to do this one. This one actually doesn't fly that well. Actually, this one's kind of a turd. I don't even think Robbie's gonna like this one, because this one doesn't fly well at all. So the pterodactyl is a turtle. It's not good. I don't even think this thing was worth $5, to be honest with you, because it doesn't get up there. Whoa, now it's flying good. Yup. It just took a dump. You guys see the shit I do for you. I mean, in all seriousness, a 60-something-year-old man out here chasing around this little $5 pterodactyl, just so you guys don't go and waste your money on it. Don't waste your money on the pterodactyl. The Spider-Man is way better. This one, this one's not good, guys. The pterodactyl is not good. I'm gonna restart it one more time, and then that's it. I'm not messing around with it no more. It just doesn't fly good, okay? Yeah, it's a turd. Okay. I'm sorry, Robbie. You're not going to really dig this one, but I bought a bunch of other ones, so maybe some of them will be better. Alright, guys. Sorry about the pterodactyl. Alright. Have a nice day.